After a major flood event on the west coast of Florida, this home's walls were severely damaged. All drywall and furring had to be removed down to the concrete block. To prepare for a flood-proof rebuild, rigid insulation panels were adhered directly to the walls, eliminating the need for traditional wood framing, batt insulation, and drywall that can trap moisture. Next, Semco's liquid membrane was applied, creating a seamless, waterproof barrier that seals out moisture and prevents mold growth. Once cured, the surface was finished with Semco's micro-cement system, delivering a smooth, durable wall surface that's both waterproof and aesthetically modern. For over 30 years, Semco's surfacing systems have been trusted worldwide in demanding environments, from resorts and retail spaces to homes exposed to extreme weather. This installation brings that same proven durability into the home, without compromising on design or performance. Semco's flood-resistant wall system delivers long-term protection with a clean, modern finish, ready to stand up to whatever comes next.